Today we are making walnut milk. I make a lot of milk alternatives for dairy-free lifestyle, but mostly because food is medicine. And these nut milks are absolutely amazing for you. Watch our cashew milk and all our other milks that we make throughout our series. But today we're going to make walnut milk. Walnuts are one of my favorite nuts. I think that's about 4 cups. We're going to start off with 4 cups. And walnuts are great because they're really good for not only your skin, your immune system. They're really high in omega-6 and omega-3s. They have protein, they're rich in antioxidants, and they protect from, I can't believe this, they actually protect from oxidative damage after meals. If you eat a lot of toxins and you eat walnuts afterwards, they say it protects from that. Isn't that something? They actually did a study, I read that. They did a study in people who ate high levels of like processed foods, and they gave some of the people walnuts afterwards and others not, the other group not, and it showed that the people who ate the walnuts protected them from the oxidative damage. It's also high in ALAs. I mean, it just goes on and on. ALAs are fine. When you eat a lot of ALAs, fights heart disease. So we're going to put these in, so these are just amazing. It's just amazing. But we're going to toast these for just a few minutes at 375.
Remember, preserve is very important to alternative milk. So we're going to talk about a task.